Good afternoon to all. This is Hariprasad from Vasireddy Venkatadri Institute of Technology. Today present a conference paper titled as Secure and Lightweight User Authentication Technique for IoT Devices. My co-authors are Dr. M. Srinivas Rao, Dr. Y. Saujanya Kumari. Today's my agenda is Introduction, Related Work, Motivation, Secure and Lightweight User Authentication Technique for IoT Devices, some experimental results, and finally conclusion and future scope of this paper. And in that first introduction, the main what is the role of the Internet of Things in present era of the communication technology. The Internet of Things for data exchange is the new age of the communication technology. That means the smart devices is connected to one device to another device with some cellular network technology, either 5G or 4G. In that expansion of the million devices are connected, in that the smart devices can be connected to exchange data between two devices or more than one devices. In that use of smart devices increases significantly, IoT services are become more accessible. In that the devices can exchange the data between two devices. In that we can play very important role, or we can concern the mutual authentication scheme, and section key communication is the very crucial one to exchange the data between two devices. In that security analysis is the main issue in IoT, an essential part of testing against relevant some security threats. In that we can use some simulation tool like AVISPA to verify a security specific work. In that we can propose a model for IoT in target work. In that to resolve the security vulnerabilities in IoT devices, this paper proposes a state of the art three-factor user visibility scheme. In that there are the mainly in this model consists of the three components: mobile node, sensor node, and gateway. In that mobile node we can send a request to the sensor nodes like login authentication details. That sensor node received, the details can be forwarded to the gateway to check that details correctly. Then we can send a response with some section key. That response and establishment of the connection between two nodes, then that response can be received by the mobile node. This is the model for IoT in target network. In that case, the X.59 certificate format for exchange of the keys. In that the message consists of the some information: version number, serial number, signature algorithm, issuer name, and validity period, and username. In that public key, elliptic curve public key. In that message can added with some hash value with some sign. We can generate the ECDSA signature certificate authority. This can be valid with ECDSA signature algorithm with hash algorithm ID plus some parameters. In that related work, this is the algorithm parameters. This is the algorithm parameters related work. In that parallelly we can consider some IoT device, and consumers can communicate with every other without the need for an appropriate gateway. This work several vulnerabilities such as one-man attack and service denial attack, privileged internet attack, and replay attack. And parallelly another one, we can IoT infrastructure displays remote user identification. In that case, moreover, the critical deal methodology using hash and XOR functions for interaction between remote consumers and dynamic sensors of IoT device. In that parallelly this work IoT device, and in that work, in that proposed some lightweight IoT based user authentication technique. In this case, a secure lightweight user authentication technique required a strong anonymity, availability, and forward security, and high protection. In that algorithm can work two phases. In that phase 1, this is the process of the phase 1 algorithm, and this is the process of the phase 2 algorithm. These are the results proposed lightweight IoT based user authentication technique. These are the results proposed lightweight IoT based user authentication technique. This is the energy consumption of IoT device. This is energy consumption of IoT device during attacking time. And finally we can conclude a paper. In this paper, some security vulnerabilities identified in Denlan and Khalsa user schemes. The proposed method lightweight IoT based user authentication technique resolves vulnerability and improves security. Therefore, it concluded proposed RFID certification technique split against existing works. Our technique will include a security and functional acceptance. And thank you. These are the references, and finally, thank you.